Okay. So now you are working on Katis, yeah?
I don't know. I'm just checking.
Find a good question to solve. At this, we are showing your screen, Mas Chris.
That's fine.
Yeah, find a problem that you have not solved. Yang
I
unsolved.
am not. So
Alphabet spam is new one. Eh?
I don't know how to do this. I didn't understand at all.
Habibie, you wanna choose the problem?
Less sodium.
Oh, Habibie already solved alphabet spam.
Oh,
Can
okay.
you choose a problem, Habibie? Greedy aja coba. Greedy itu 3 point berapa ya? What is 3.2e? Can you hover on 3.2e itu? Hover ke lewatnya. Just 3.4. I think 3.4 is greedy also. Can you hover on 3.4? Try get to work coba. Get to work.
Three powers, I think. Mungkin 3 powers.
In Python.
What? All non-negative integer powers of 3. Consider the sequence of all subsets of F ordered by the value of the sum of the... Consider the sequence of all subsets of S ordered by the value of the sum of the elements. Find the set at the nth position in the sequence and printed in increasing order of value.
Oh, the sum of the digits, yeah?
Digits?
Is it talking about, oh, no, sum of the elements. Okay.
Well, how did... First that and smallest number.
Oh, I see. I understand. Oh, let me know if you look it actually. So you have an infinite set of all the powers of 3.
Yeah.
1, 3, 9,
Yes.
21, 81, 243, 7, 7 to 9.
7.
Do you know subset? The concept of subset? Subset means you take a few elements from a set, then you make another set. So it's a subset because you have a subset. All element in that subset is also in the original set. So let's say you have a set of letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G until Z. So ALX is a subset of A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J until Z. Now, there are so many subsets. For a set that has n elements that are 2 to the power of n subsets. You know how? Why there are 2 to the power of n subsets?
3, 1, 2, 4, 5.
You know why?
No.
Because imagine every element in your
Yeah,
set,
not understand.
you can either take it or not take it. You can take it as part of your subset, or you don't take it, and it's you don't include it in your subset. So if you take it, let's say only one. If you don't take it, it's a binary 0, right? That means the number of possibilities is equal to the number of combinations where you can set 0 and 1 to every n element. Right?
Oh.
So for each of the n element, you can choose to take it or not take it. So there are two possibilities, right? That's why it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 n times is 2 to the power of n. There are 2 to the power of n subsets. So maybe let's take it simple dulu. Let's say 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4 is a set of size 2, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, and 4. So 1, 2, and 4. So the first subset is empty. You don't take any of 1, 2, 4. Yeah, kan? The second subset is you take only 1.
Yeah.
The third subset is 2. You take only 2. The fourth subset is 1 and 2 combined. The third subset is 4 alone. The fifth subset is 4 and 1. And then the sixth subset is 4 and 2. And then the seventh subset is
Oh, understand.
2 and 1. So there are eight subsets. Yeah. Now the question is, if you order
The nth subset.
by the sum of the elements, what will be the the nth set? So you see, the first set is an empty set. So this one, the first set is an empty set, right? The seventh set, yeah. So if we do this, that's right lah, yeah. So you have the original set, yeah. The original set is apa? 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, terus apa?
27.
27, 81,
243.
243, right? And so on, yeah. Infinite. So the first subset that you have is actually empty. The second subset is
1.
1.
1.
The third subset
is 3.
is 3. Very good. Then
1, 3. 1, 3.
yeah, because the sum is 4, yeah. Then
9.
9. Then
9, 1. 9, 1.
Then
9, 3. 9. 9.
Then
1, 3, 9.
good. Now you're getting the hang of it, huh? Next.
Yeah.
Next.
27. Okay, yeah.
Very good.
Then 27. 127.
127.
And then 327. 327.
Yeah. Right.
7, and after that is 927. No, 1, 3, 27. And then 3, 9, 27.
Then
Oh, you know, 9, 27. 9, 27, and then 1, 9, 27.
see a pattern, but it's okay. The problem is the pattern doesn't matter as long as you understand the problem.
Then 3, 9.
Now tell me, where is the seventh set? So the first set is an empty set, right? The first set is this one. This is the empty set, is the first set. So what is the seventh set?
9. 9.
This is 1, again. Or maybe let's just do this aja lah ya. Ini 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the 7th set. That's why the answer here, when the input is 7, the answer is this one.
3, 9.
Understand?
Or the 14, 16.
Now, how are you going to do this? Have you seen a pattern?
The first one, and then the second one, and then both, and then the third one, and then the first and the third one, and then
Habibie, do
the
you see a
second and
pattern?
third one. No.
What if I help you? Can you see a pattern if I help you?
27 and 1, 27 and 3, 27 and 1 and 3, 27 and 9, 27 and 9 and 1, 7 and 9 and 3, 27 and 9 and 3 and 1.
Okay, what if I help you like this, yeah? See a pattern?
Oh.
Yes.
1,
See a
9, 3,
pattern?
9,
What is the
1,
pattern?
3.
Tell me.
So first is empty, and then is the number itself,
It's a
number,
triangle.
then
So how do you get this group from the previous groups
you use this number and add it to the back
until
the last one.
Yeah. So are you done with this? Are you done with the 27 or
No.
you?
Not of the 1, 3, 9, 27. Oh, I see a pattern.
You see the pattern?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Habibie, do you see the pattern?
Yes.
Yeah. So the next set of sets set of subsets are basically you are taking this whole thing here, or maybe I'll just do it for 81. Yeah. So you take this whole group here, right? All the previous subsets, right? You copy, right? And then you add the next number, which is 81, right? So you add 81 to each and every of these. See? That's it. Right? That's the pattern. That's how you build the.
Oh.
Yeah, that's how you build the sequence, right? Okay, now how do you code it now? I think you could just use Python easy. You don't need to deal with the big integer.
Yeah, but then if I want to do Python, I cannot use this button.
No, you can.
No, it's already default.
You just change your setting. Change your setting in the not here in your VS Code.
Yes.
Setting.
So can we do it with Python?
Sorry?
So we do it in Python or C++?
So up to you. You can try C++ also, but then I think you will need to implement big integer because the power of 3 is very huge. You will exceed the largest integer.
What is big integer?
It will not be sufficient for you. In Python, you don't need to do that, right? Python is already big integer.
What is big? Oh yeah.
Big integer is just integer using string. Remember? So it's unlimited. Yeah, only limited by the memory.
I don't know where to do.
Okay, now we need to find your settings, right? Is it called CPH? And this one, right? So
none.
Okay, you know how to code this now?
Yeah.
You know roughly?
Yeah. I do Python.
Okay, go ahead and try.
So P is 1. While T is not 0.
Very confusing to put in here. In your mobile actually doesn't need the bracket.
Oh yeah.
Bracket?
No.
Yeah, but it doesn't make it wrong because bracket is also valid statement.
While P is not equal to 0, we make the list. Oh, we make the list. 0. List. Then we make the list. For if I y I is smaller than list in max.
Yeah.
In
This to learn math.
I is 0. Yeah. In L while I is smaller than the maximum powers. Powers 1 powers contain nothing. First, it's nothing. While I is smaller than the maximum of lists of in the append. And then power equals 1. Power equals 1 while I is smaller than max list of int. Powers dot append powers dot append power. Wait. Oh, for k in range len powers dot append the powers a Powers dot append powers. Okay. So what am I doing? Yes. The new one. The new one is power times 3. Then powers times equal to print for I range A in range length list of indexes in the length of the list of indexes. Print powers A. Yeah. For A in list of indexes. Print yeah, correct. Okay. Plus oh, I forgot to add I. Oh, it's over here. Power is 1. Next of list of indexes. A in range length powers. Powers to append powers. A. Okay, what is wrong? What is wrong? Line 6. List of a list of string. It's supposed to be powers A and string power. Okay, x equals powers A the list. Oh, I get it. Powers at Append, powers A. So I'm putting a list inside. So I putting a list and then the number. Three. Yeah. Right, I got the pen minus A. Trace back. Index error. Try. Accept. Index error. If it's index error, then what do I do? Powers and string. X equals to powers A. And A is 1. A is 1. I is 1. What if I is 0? Maybe I is supposed to be 0. x equals powers a, a, a appending this powers that append the powers. Maybe you just use a string. First, the string is nothing. Then second, the string powers a, which is the first one, and string of powers. Power. 1 0 expected output, received output 1. Oh, a minus 1. Is this one's correct? What is wrong? Why is this one wrong? Sig term. Yeah, of course, that isn't very long. What if I delete this? Sixth term. Still sixth term. Why is it still sixth term? 3959049 34867844401. Why is it sixth term? Why? Is it too long? Yeah. Three nine 19 1 is this, and then the 39 is 39 and 1927. Oh. It's taking too long. It's taking too long. Need another set. What? How do you do this? Help somebody. Sector. Does it?
Unit ayah.
Unit ayah. Nggak usah. Not now. First is 1 and then becomes 2, becomes 4 and then becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. Can make it. Oh, it's multiplied by 2. So if it's multiplied by 2, I can make it a little shorter. While I is smaller than or equal to max list of int, divide by 2. No. With powers of 2. 1, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. No. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 200. One three 9 1 9 3 9 1 3 9 2 7 7. Huh? How is it? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So 1 9. 1 9. No, this is wrong. 1. No, this is wrong. 1 3 1 3 9 1 9 3 9 1 3 9. 27. Oh, 27. Oh, the 2 and 7 get separated. No wonder. So that's why there's a 6 there. I cannot put string. I have to put list. Line 12. One argument given.
So how? Are you able to solve?
I was close, but then my problem was when I split the digits. It split the digits, not the numbers. So it becomes 27 instead of 27.
Why do you split like that?
Because when I try using list, it didn't work well.
I don't get it.
Hmm?
What do you mean you split?
No, I don't join.
Okay, so how about now?
Now I'm trying to use lists. It is hard. Oh, yeah. How do you make a list of 2 variables? Powers of append
Why is
list.
the indentation too long?
Oh yeah, because no, I tried using try.
Line 12. What is the error here?
The
Only
list.
concatenate.
Yeah.
So you want to append into the list, is it?
Would I want to create a list with the powers of the previous and the new power?
Yeah, so you want to append the new power into the list lah.
Yeah.
Then you just dot append lah, not plus. Dot append. Dot append here. Yeah.
Oh,
Right?
will it work though?
None type is none type. Okay, so the empty list. The list is empty, right? For the first time, the list is empty. The first time the list is empty. Oh, it's not empty.
Non-type object is not iterable. List powers A dot append string. Oh, because powers A is also a list.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Correct.
Then this one should be. I should
No.
make this.
You then you don't need to say list, right? It's already a list.
No, except this one. This one's not a list.
Okay. Yeah.
Then I don't need this. Powers A dot append. Dot append powers A dot append. You cannot put it append. Cannot append and append.
Now powers A is empty. Where is A? A is. This is so complicated, mas. Your logic, mas. I don't get it at all. Habibie, how are you doing?
Then what is?
How are you doing, Habibie?
I'm still coding.
Okay. Have you submitted?
List. So it doubles.
We can try to submit. Your logic is what is your plan? To be clear in your plan dulu. Plan.
I have a list, right? And then I want to look through until the highest index.
But you cannot right, to max on a string. You can max
Oh no, this is different. This is a different one.
Okay.
And then
that's the input,
I get
yeah.
the list from the powers, right? And then I append.
Okay. For each one in the power, what is the content of the power?
First is
It's
just
a list of lists, okay, of string. List of string. Okay, powers dot append list dot append string dot power. What is power?
The power
One.
is the
Okay, then you multiply. Okay, so you are basically building the whole thing.
Mm.
You are building the whole thing. That is brute force. You will hit a problem later, but it's okay.
System.
Let's just get it past the test case dulu, yeah. Yeah, but you will definitely hit a problem later.
Already hit it.
Why is I times equal to 2? Where is I?
I is the index because it doubles.
What do you mean double?
Because plus there's only one, and then after that there's two, and
Oh,
then there's
yeah.
4, and
Oh,
then
okay,
there's
okay, okay, okay.
8.
Ah, okay, 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 okay. Ah, I see. I see. Okay, now I got it. Uh-huh. List.append. Okay, maybe for this one you do need to make a copy actually, yeah. Because if you just say list.append, it will append to the list itself. Yeah, I think you can just say copy, right? List.copy or something like that. Or you just maybe bracket list. No, that I don't think that will create a copy. You need to Google Python.
Okay.
Yeah, copy list.
I'm accepted.
Accepted already. Very good. Can we see your code?
Yes.
Slice. List. New list.
Yeah. Can you explain the code?
Slice. New list.
Until n is 0. Until n is lebih besar dari 0. And then I check if n is odd or not. If it's odd, if it's the first time the computer will print, I will only print this only. But if the second, I will print this.
Yeah.
A comma and space and the number.
Okay. So
And then the power I
forcing every.
plus.
You are actually. Oh, I see. Okay, we understand. Yep, yep, yep. How did you find this logic? Can you explain, Habibie? How did you find this logic?
I think because there is a hint says binary wrap offset, so I want to shift it
When doing the presentation of the set, yes.
here.
Ah,
Binary wrap
okay. Yeah. From the hint. Yes, correct. Yeah. Okay. So you got the hint, like you understood the hint. Okay, okay. Let's see what it is. Okay, Mas. Okay, let's see. What happened now?
It's 6.
Okay, so is this a copying a list?
Yeah. This also the other way which I also did that.
Oh wow, it's infinite lah. You are appending into a list and you are doing loop in that list, so it will never end.
List range list hours.
Okay, I will probably do it. This one also same problem.
List range and Still 6.
Not too much. You're trying to build too much. Okay, now look at your input. Yeah, if you look at your input, one of the input is very huge. No?
Yeah.
So imagine what happens now. What happens is you are doing all this, right? You're doing all this until that number, that huge number, no?
Yeah.
And you keep appending. You're building a very big list where actually the only thing you need is just the last one. Not the last one, just one of those. You just need one item, but you are appending everything. You don't need everything. So this system is because you are putting too much. It's out of memory, basically. It's out of memory. The computer cannot handle. It's too big. So you don't need to build this list. The point is you don't need to build this list. If you do this, you are brute forcing everything while you actually need only one. You only need only one, but you are brute forcing a super large set, unbelievably large set, very large, like 2 to the power of basically this big, around that number big. So computer cannot. Yeah. So now, can you solve this without building the list? Just look at the pattern. Look at the pattern here. So if it is 1, you give this, right?
Yeah.
If it is 2, you give this. You look at the pattern. If it is you already get a hint just now. You realizes that it's always doubles, right? It's always doubling, right? So what does it mean? So if I ask you a number, give me say 16.
16.
Give me set number 16. Which one will that be?
For this one over here.
It should be this one, right?
Yeah.
How do you know that it's this one?
Because it's 2 to the power of 4.
So that's kind of the first hint, right? So how about if it is 13?
13 is...
This is 16.
14. This one's 13.
This one is 13. Right? But how do you get here? How do you know that it is this one? What is the logic thinking here?
The closest base to is 16 or 8.
Yeah. So that's why the hint says. That's why the hint says it's a binary representation. Binary representation. So what is the binary of 16? What is the binary of 16?
1.
What is 16 in binary?
1 0 0 0.
How many 0?
3. 4.
If it is 1 0 0, it goes here. How about 13? What is the binary of 13?
One.
What is 13 minus 8 berapa?
5.
5 minus 4?
1.
1. Okay, so minus 2 nggak bisa, dan minus 1. Do you get it now? How about this one? Just
1 1 1 1. 0 1 1 1 1.
Right. Yeah. Do you see the pattern so far?
14. it's 14.
What's the number? Binary?
1110.
So do you see the pattern? If you have a 1 here,
Yeah.
okay, is there a pattern that you can think of?
No.
No, you cannot see a pattern. Okay, what if like this? What if we represent the item here with binary? So if I put 0, 0, 0, 0, that means I don't use this, I don't use this, I don't use this, I don't use this, right?
Yeah.
So this becomes what set?
No, the first.
Yeah, kan? Becomes empty set, right? So what if I use 1, 1, 1, 1? What set do I get?
13927.
Yeah, 1, 3, 9, 27, right? So which one is this? This one, right?
No, this one. Okay. This one.
This one, right? This one, right? But the binary representation here is slightly different. How do you make it the same? What do you do?
-1.
Minus 1. So if you minus 1, this becomes 0. 0th element, yeah, kan? So input -1 basically, right? See? So is the pattern becoming easier now?
Oh, okay. Wow, you get the binary.
How do you get a binary from an integer? Do you know how to convert an integer to a binary?
No. Is it?
So okay, let's go to the basic. Let's not rush to code dulu. You need to understand dulu first, then only code. You need to have clarity of mind dulu, then only code. You don't rush, okay? Otherwise you will be confused kayak tadi. You're confused. You don't have the full idea, but you already jump to coding already, yeah? So what is the binary of let's say 5? How do you get the binary of 5?
One zero one.
Yeah, but how do you get 101? What is the process there?
4 is 100. 100. 5 is 101.
Okay, so the easiest way is actually to start from behind. Start from behind. So what is the last digit of binary of 5? How do you know that it should be 1?
Because it's 1 more than 4.
Okay, what is the basic concept of number base? Let's say decimal, yeah. Why is 77 equal to 77? Why do we call it 77? Because it's
7 times 10 plus 7.
again. So, or let's just use 9 there. So if you know 9, if you know a number 79, how do you know that the last digit is 9? How do you get the last digit? If I give you a number, let's say 3 times 7 times 19. Without calculating this number, how do you get the last digit? Let's say I put a variable x, yeah, x equal to this. How do you get the last digit of x? What is the last digit of x?
Last digit of x.
Okay.
3 times 7 times
No, you
9.
don't calculate. I put it into a variable. What do you do with x to get the last digit of x? Don't calculate. Or let's just say I give you an
You
integer
divide
x.
by 8.
Huh? What is the last digit of x? How do you get the last digit of x?
The remainder when divided by 10.
Exactly. What is the remainder when divided by 10?
Modulo 10.
Connected ya dia. Yeah, kan? Is right? Yeah. So how do you get the last digit of 5 in binary? What is the last digit of 5?
Modulo 2.
Modulo 2, right? And what do you do next? Okay. Now you got the last digit of x. So what do you do next? What do you do next to get the second digit, the second last digit? What do you do to x to get the second last digit now?
Modulo 100.
Yeah, kan? Not modulo 100. You? What do? You do this, right? You do this and then you modulo. Then you modulo, right?
Hmm?
You get it?
Oh. So you cancel out this.
Yeah, so let's say x is 8567, right? So last digit of x is 8567 modulo, ya kan? 8567 modulo 10. Ya kan? Modulo 10 is equal to 7, right?
Yeah.
So what do you do with x now? So imagine if you do this. So 8567 becomes apa?
856.
Becomes 856, right?
Hmm.
Ya kan? So then that means second last digit is you just do the same thing again, right?
Oh.
So now you again 10, which means you get 6, yeah, and so on, right? So how do you get the binary of 5?
You divide by 2. Divide by 2 and
Yeah, you modulo dulu, not divide dulu.
last one.
Huh? You start from behind, what?
Oh, I thought you were talking about the second last.
Yeah. So 5, you modulo dulu kan? It's the logic, right? Modulo 2 dulu. Yeah. Okay, now coming back to the pattern. Let's take this one, yeah. Let's take so now we minus 1, right? So it's 15. This should be 14. It should be 13 now. It should be 12. Yeah. So let's just take 13, yeah. So 13 is what, 0, 1. So now it's a different one now. This one is this, right? Okay. This one is what? 1 1
1101.
101 13, right? So let's look at this. So the first digit correspond to what? The last digit. The last digit correspond to which number? Let's just use this also to make it
9.
easier for you.
9.
Lebih lah.
Then 27.
Okay, look at these two numbers. 1100, you get 9 and 27. Right? That means you don't use 1. Yeah, kan? You don't use 3. You use 9, you use 27. This one, you use 1. You don't use 3. You use 9, you use 27. Kan gitu kan?
Yeah.
Okay. So which number belongs to which number?
The last one belongs to 1. The first one belongs to 27.
Yeah. So the last digit, the last binary digit correspond to whether you use 3 to the power of 0. And then the second binary digit correspond to whether you use 3 to the power of 1. Gitu kan? You get it now? So how do you put that?
Not equal to 1. Right.
divide later, not first. Why do you need to you use t as t, but then later you divide? Only after you finish you divide. Then you don't need to multiply first. Why do you do that? There's no point. No point of doing that. You see what I mean? Yeah.
No, I don't see what
You don't understand? Okay, what do you need to do with t? What do you need to do with t?
I need to modulo it.
Yeah, you need to modulo, right?
Oh, okay. So then
What happens if you modulo t?
we will get the digit in the last digit. It's 0, 0,
So what happened when it is 0?
If it's a 0, then you don't use it.
You don't use it, right?
So another one. If it's a 1, then L dot
Very
append
good.
the power,
Power.
and then the power will be multiplied by 3.
Very good. Then
And then it will.
You missed one crucial step. Remember what we did with in this set representation. Yeah. It's a problem, but yeah, it's okay. You will see the problem later. There is a problem because you need to join string. But you need to join is a list of string. But you have a list of integer.
But system. But system.
Yeah, because you never change. It's an infinite loop.
Oh, yeah.
You never change t.
Input and string.
Input should be the last one. But yeah. Doesn't matter, but it should be the last one.
Still system. It's still system. Still system. Oh, if t is equals to 1, then t minus 1 is equals to 0. And then while t is not 0 is
Your while is wrong here. Why? What is that while?
greater than.
You sure it's greater than 1? Can t not be 1?
Can be 1.
Can be 1.
Can be 1. What is wrong? Three 919273927 61963 55149 Huh?
How do you get this test case? How do you get the test case?
Oh, it's already over there.
if it is the same thing, then how come it looks, what's the difference? Oh, ini your empty set. Your empty set.
Oh, it's just one. Just one.
Yeah, that means you should move the space instead. This first space here, just move it here, right? Oh, not really. So yeah, maybe you need to handle separately.
Then if
If this one.
no, no, it has to be these two. No, actually no, because they will divide by 2 and then.
No, actually your answer is only wrong when it is empty set, right? Just
no,
handle empty set aja from the beginning.
Oh,
Beginning aja.
what do you mean?
Yeah, here, right? When is it empty set?
It's empty set if
Where is T?
if T is 1.
Yeah. Or, yeah, over there.
With 1
just
and
put the if. Just put the if. Handle empty set separately. That's it.
of here. Or of here.
Yeah, up to you, wherever.
If T
No, if you do it there, then T will be 0.
Yeah,
Once
no,
you are
that's
done
why.
with everything, T is 0.
Oh,
That's why I said handle it from the beginning.
if T is 1, print this and break.
Think. Don't rush. Think dulu. It's not break. Break, you're done. Run, coba. Udah break. Udah break.
Oh wait, continue.
Don't rush. Careful. Think properly dulu. You need to have clarity in your mind first, then code. If you just rush, you will be confused. You will lost with your own code. Okay, now what is wrong?
Good.
Why is it no system?
This one. Continue.
Oh,
yeah.
this one.
Yeah. Now this one failed. 13139. Oh wait, no, this one's correct. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Document
Yeah, I think this is the importance of practice. Yeah, I think you are a bit rusty after a few weeks not doing coding. Right, good. Habibie is still there?
He's not here.
Habibie is here.
Yes, hello.
Okay, sorry to keep you waiting, yeah?
My laptop is slow.
Your laptop is slow,
Yes, a bit lagging.
a bit lagging, okay. So, do you want to continue with the next problem?
Yes.
Okay. Masih, you want to choose the problem now?
No.
You want Habibie to choose the problem? Habibie, can you share the screen?
Oh yeah. do it. Mm. Hmm.
Let me just sort by difficulty and just do the easiest. What is the category?
Uh, the
Category lah.
no is the amazing human cannibal.
Yeah, triangle is not so fun. Let's try other category. What is 3.2?
3.2
3.
is 3 nested loops.
Nested loop ya. Yeah, maybe not so interesting. What is symmetric order stack? Maybe interesting. Try.
Yes. Wait.
Stack problem. Okay. Symmetric order.
Oh, 2M. Hmm. Bo, Jane, Claude, Mary Beth, William, Kevin, Pat, Jim, Zoe, Frederick, Annabelle, Joey, Ben. John Bill Fred Stan John Francis Stan Bill. Bo, Jean, Claude,
Can we choose another problem?
Habibie, it's already 1.5 hours. Maybe we stop first, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. I think today we were not so productive. Only one problem, but it's okay. It's been a while juga kan. It's been a while, so we never. We should practice more often lah basically. Okay, we stop for now ya.
Yeah.
Thank you, Habibie.
Bye. Assalamualaikum.